おはようございます。
おはようございます。動画ですか？
Come on in. Nice vista here today. It's actually a nice, very nice cloud. Anyways, a bit tough to see, but there was a nice cloud and sun hitting the side of a mountain. I don't know if we'll get a great view of it from this wide angle lens on this camera, but should be interesting. Flip this guy around. We're kind of losing the sun anyways. Just a casual turn off in Kananaskis Country. And now for some photos from our pit stop. Okay, we're going to call that success. Couple photos of this lovely spot. I don't know exactly what mountain we were taking photos of, but I'll look that up later. From here we drove to Highwood Pass in Kananaskis Country. Oh boy, she's cold out here. Having a fun day, that's for sure. We're up at Highwood Pass. I'm gonna see what we can find.
今年の夏あの山に登りました。
So here we are up at Highwood Pass, or at least we're getting there. It's a heck of a walk though, and it's pretty damn windy.
So you wanna go that way or this way?
Good question. Where should we go?
Okay, let's go. No, it's not far. Yeah.
All right, go, go.
Go.
Oh boy.
寒い。痛い。顔が痛い。寒いです。
What's up, bro?
痛い。
Woo!
いや。
Having fun out here. back in the trees. Almost back at the car. Please enjoy some photos taken from up on Highwood Pass.